Assalamualaikum and good day to the members of the panel and fellow examiners. I am Noor Safiza binti Ismail, currently undergoing my final year project 2 under the supervision of Encik Nourizam bin Katmun. Today, I'll be presenting my project system titled UTM Health Center Physiotherapy Appointment System. Here's the overview of today's presentation. Starting with the introduction, patients who have injuries or movement disorders are in need of rehabilitation. They will seek a physiotherapist in order to receive treatment. At UTM Health Centers, the physiotherapy unit provides service to UTM students, staff, and the public communities. However, the current existing system supports manual appointment booking to record patients' data. Therefore, patients often face difficulties in remembering appointments, and rescheduling requires time-consuming and phone calls or in-person visits. Thus, there is a strong need for the physiotherapy system to improve appointment management, patient communication, and therapist workflow. The stakeholder for this project is Physiotherapy Unit, which is one of the healthcare department that works under UTM Health Centers to provide for physiotherapies and rehabilitation service. There are a total of 4 staff working under this department. We are able to conduct interview with the medical officer and Sheikh Baharuddin and Miss Angeline for requirement gathering. From the requirement gathering, I have identified the problem during the appointment booking process. Based on the figure, physical appointment cards are prone to damage and loss, making them unreliable for storing important medical information. Filling up patient information in the logbook can cause misspelled words or data inconsistency. The process of rescheduling is also time-consuming and complicated. Therefore, the objective of this project is to develop a new enhanced web-based system that allows patients to manage their appointment efficiently. It also to provide a feature where therapists can manage and view their appointment schedules and patient details in one platform. Lastly, to develop a system that sends automated notification to patients about their upcoming appointments and to reduce missed sessions. The use case diagram shows how patient, therapist, and admin interact with the system. There are a total of 12 use cases. For patient, they can view and reschedule appointments and also update their progress to the therapist. Meanwhile, therapists can manage the patient appointment and can add day off schedules, track progress, and view report. Lastly, admin can manage user data. The SE swim lane diagram represents how the physiotherapy appointment process worked before UTM Physio was introduced. In this model, everything is done manually. Patient needs to physically visit the physiotherapy unit, check available dates with the therapist, fill in form by hand, and receive an appointment card. If they miss an appointment, they must return or call to reschedule appointment. Therefore, with UTM Physio, patients can now view appointment online, reschedule appointments, and update their progress easily without the need to walk in or make a phone call. They receive automated notification, and therapists can track progress in real time through the system. If rescheduling is needed, it's just a few clicks away. All interactions are recorded and updated in the cloud, ensuring data accuracy and easy access. Here we can see the UTM Physio is being compared to the existing web application within 8 main features. By analyzing this table, we can conclude that the existing application does not contain all the main features inside one platform. Therefore, UTM Physio will deliver all of the stated features to help in better appointment management and provide better service for patients. Next, I'll be using the Agile Waterfall Hybrid methodology. This method allows flexibility during the project development, focusing on collaboration and clients' feedbacks. The reason why I use this methodology is because, first, it can enhance the engagement between client and stakeholder. Second, it has a well structure in planning the project, which give a clear structure phase and provide continuous improvement to changes. Third, it has a better project visibility and control with the combination of agile and waterfall. And lastly, it can reduce risk and mistakes by early planning to help identify what needs to be done. While agile allows changes if something unexpected happens, this helps to prevent problems like unclear requirements, misunderstanding, or building the wrong features. Now, I will state the software used for the project. For front-end framework, I use Vue.js, and for database management, I use Firebase for storing data, hosting, and authentication. I also integrate API Google Calendar, which help to set patients' appointment in the calendar. Moreover, for the project planning, I use Jira, and for version control, I use GitHub. I also use Figma to design the prototype of the system. For hardware, I just use personal computer and tablet to display the view. The project planning has a total of 5 sprints, which include the development and testing process. This sprint started during early February until the end of June. The project was scheduled to ensure the timing of development is within the project timeline. Moreover, for GitHub integration, it was used to manage all source code of UTM Physio. This includes commit and push features. This integration helps to ensure a safe code update and easy tracking changes while help to fix bugs and test new features. Moving on to the system interface, there are 3 users including patient, therapist, and admin. First, for authentication, patient, therapist, and admin can register and log into the system using their personal details. After login, therapists can view dashboard in appointment page. Therapists can add new appointment for patient, and therapists can manage the appointment by edit, reschedule, or delete appointment. Meanwhile, on patient side, after the appointment has been booked, patient can see the appointment in their dashboard. They can view or reschedule appointment easily based on availability. Thus, the scheduled or rescheduled appointment will automatically set to patient's calendar. This will reduce any missed appointment and easier reschedule process. Next function, therapists can add their off days in the calendar. The red box shows therapist unavailability in the calendar, which cannot book any appointment if they are in leave. Other therapists can also view their colleagues' unavailability in the calendar through their accounts. Next, for progress, patient can update their progress through submitting the progress form. So on patient side, they can track patient's health based on the input stated, and therapists can monitor patient progress and confirm whether to further other treatment in the future or not. Moreover, these are the functions to manage patient data and view analytical report in the therapist page. Last but not least, admin can view the dashboard and manage user data. Next, the user acceptance testing was conducted with the stakeholder from UTM Physiotherapy Unit, including therapists and admin staff. I have also tested the system with a real patient that seeks physiotherapy service. This testing helps to gain feedbacks, identify bugs, improve interface usability, and to meet user satisfaction. Once the testing has been done, the system was deployed using Firebase hosting. The deployment process involved finalizing the production build, linking the domain, and configuring Firebase authentication. The application is now accessible through web browsers, supporting both desktop and mobile device. In conclusion, it is hoped that UTM Physio brings a significant improvement to the current manual system by providing a more organized, efficient, and user-friendly platform that aims to benefit patient, physiotherapists, and administrator. Thank you.